Alright, so this is the 69 Falcon. Basically, if you look, the orange is very faded on it. So I'm going to clean some of the stuff up, replace some of the bulbs, and different things. When you go to pull this off, well, after you get the dash off, you undo your screws going around and across. The dash slides this way. Dash comes off. You got like 1/4 inch screws going around this. And then these knobs here are held on with little Allen screws. You take those off. And you got some more 1/4 inch ones here that hold the control assembly for your heater. And then of course this comes off, and your blower switch. For removing the speedometer cable, it's got like a round, it's like a collar with a little finger. Push the finger and it actually causes this side to push away. So it's like kind of doing a tilting action, and the speedometer cable just comes right off. So anyway, I'm going to take this apart, clean up any corrosion around here, re-oil the speedometer and the odometer, and we're going to retouch up these gauges. I don't know how well you can see that they're faded. And I am going to alter this a little bit, because my thing is, originally I thought the large line went to the number. It actually is the in-between line. And with the way my vision is, when things are very similar, like a bunch of L's or 1s and stuff in a part number, or 0, I cannot see it. So I am going to put some different colors in here to mark different points, just for common driving speeds, because it's very hard for my eyes don't focus together very well, so they tend to jump back and forth a lot, and it gets very nauseating. So anyway, we're going to get to work on this, clean it up, see what we get. Alright, so I've got the screws out. Go around the back, just take this off. And this off. Some of the foam around here, very, very brittle. You just touch it and it just powder. So we're going to replace this. Some of this other insulation around here. You can see what I mean about the arrows being very faded out. So we'll pull each gauge out. Everything gets re-lubed. Bulbs that need to be... Oh wow, click beetle. Oh, he's long dead. I don't know how he got in there. Huh. Alright, blower switch. This one was manufactured January 8th of 1969. You know, it's weird though, January. Oh, no.
Yeah, yours is like the first one off the line
No,
of the year.
yeah, I was trying to think what the title was saying.
Well, what does the title say?
Oops. I forgot they were on there.
I'm moving my sugar dish before you destroy it. And probably the oil lamp.
My bad. Kind of pause. Alright, now these guys, just a little partial turn. I'm going to make the little contacts here and here. Take all these out. Come on, baby. I don't know if they make a new circuit board for this one or not. The little regulator, though, that voltage regulator, damn, that sucker's expensive no matter who you go through.
Last year on how the Double O program was obsolete, how drones could do all our dirty work abroad. Monitor your vital signs in anywhere on the planet.
Let's go here.
Call it a post-Mexico insurance policy. By direct order of them.
I completely understand.
I think there's just two back here. You will find out shortly. I'm not sure about this one. I've never had this one apart. Had many other clusters apart over the years, but not this one.
Magnificent, isn't it? 0 to 60 in 3.2 seconds. Bulletproof, little tricks up the face. Shame really, she wasn't meant for you, but she's
Come on, Lily.
been reassigned to 009.
Come on.
But you can have this.
You can spit it out now. Spit it out. Arrgh. Man.
It tells the time. Your punctuality.
Alrighty.
Only one word is warning. The alarm is rather loud. If you know what I mean.
Ooh, plastic gears on this one. Alright. All the other ones we've been doing are so old, they're all steel and brass.
Oh yes, that old thing is taking quite a bit of time.
It's like plastic counters too.
There wasn't much left to work on.
I'm not going to take all this apart, but these can be a real pain to realign if you replace the numbers, or if you're doing a full restoration where everything, literally engine, trans, suspension, body, everything is 0, and the speedometer didn't work, or odometer didn't work anyway. So it's a matter of sticking a pin through here, going all the way across, wiggle back and forth, because there's a bunch of gears counting in here, planetaries and stuff. So it's just a pain in the ass to do, but there's no reason to take this one apart. I can move it without doing that. But yeah, it is very, very time consuming. Here's our lens here. What color this is. Alright.
Well, it's lovely to see you.
It's red. I don't know if you can see it in there, but...
The smart blood program is obviously still in its developmental phase. So we may experience the odd dropping.
Well, the tape seems to be holding fine. We'll replace the sticky in the foam though. So that other one we did, the colored lenses on that Nash were so, they just disintegrated, so we had to cut out new ones. So I actually had a pill bottle. I don't know if it was vitamin B or fish oil, which one it was, but it had the brownish red color, so it actually worked perfect. So that's going to get lubed up. Another nice thing is, being these are the plastic shafts, I don't have to worry about the bushings all and stuff being ground away where I have to fix all these mechanisms and stuff. This screw just don't want to come out. Alright, get these two out. All this will get cleaned out. Alright, that one. This one I can get out easy. That one's got a sensor. Robbie, we got pliers in here or something? No. Damn. Get out of here. Comes out. I'm going to clean you all up. Let's see. Engine hot. Oil. Alright. This is the temp gauge, because I never saw this light up. Some of these I'm not sure what they are, so I have to look through them. Little colored guys here, they're still nice and good. I spoke too soon. I do see a slight fracture in here, but it should be fine. I'm not going to take it off, so it should go right. No, I know my gauge doesn't go past halfway. I could put a little tester on it, or add just the bare minimum of voltage. Or at least this is how I used to do all the other ones. You basically go one way, go the other way, and it pulls it one way or the other. This, and usually the needle just kind of free floats. It gets pulled one direction or the other. This one here is actually got a spring pushing it back, so that's different. I'm not familiar with that style of gauge. Interesting. Yep. Definitely need some good cleaning though. Now on the later ones, where not the metal but the clear plastic, we do a single swipe of the marker. It gives it that tint back, and when the light shines through the dash, it's a nice orange glow again. Now these are metal, so these are kind of a different situation, but you know, still, they just don't glow. But yeah, it's still nice to have color. I'm gonna hold this so it doesn't move. There is a very bouncy gauge. Yeah, these don't illuminate. This is how I do all the 90s dashes. That was better. Now, since this is metal and it kind of soaks into because the metal's kind of pitted. So I'm probably going to do another second coat with the marker. Ow, Robbie. Ouch. Ow.
How's your hand since you just went through a glass plate of yours?
Yeah, I know, right?
Yeah, you told me.
I want to trust that dog food now.
You told me these things aren't supposed to explode.
The plates?
Yeah.
Cornet or whatever, they don't chip, they burst. Anyway, yeah, so
The chair doesn't look broken, but how did you break it? Because I swear I saw it buckle.
I'm not that fat.
It doesn't look broken. All the legs are still straight. How did you buckle it without buckling it?
I think the legs just pulled apart.
Well, I'm glad you didn't break it.
Ow.
Because it is an antique.
Screw your antique.
I'm really glad you didn't break it.
Ow. Wow. Okay. Well, we're going to call this a night. We'll do a part 2 later on.
Yeah, chair looks good.
Mower go.
Don't feel me. Feel your destruction.
My destruction.
Don't sit in my chairs or touch